Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video I have given a question: square root of a plus 21 plus the square root of a equals to 7, and here we are supposed to find the value of a. Let's provide solution very quickly, and we know that first thing here is to copy what you have given. We have given here square root of a plus 21 right here, plus square root of a equal to 7. Now what can we do? And here, first of all, what am I going to do? I'm going to change this one and cross equal sign. By doing what, we have square root of here a plus 21, then plus square root of a minus square root of a will be equal to 7 minus square root of a. So at this moment here, we shall cancel this square root we have right here to still remain with this one, square root of a plus 21 equal to 7 minus square root of a. At this stage, we want to remove this square root we have right here by square both sides. Now here shall remain with only a plus 21 will be equal to 7 here squared minus 2. A is 7 and b is equal to square root of a, then plus square root of a, square root of a squared. This is what we have right here. Now at this moment we have to write a plus 21 equal to 49 minus 14 square root of a plus a. If you are seen as we have a which is the same and they are on opposite signs, so that should be cancelled to still remain with 21, which equals to 49 minus 14 square root of a. We can here group like terms to get 21 minus 49 equals to negative 14 square root of a, and then here we shall get negative 28, which equals to negative 14 square root of a. Of course, we shall divide negative 14 on both sides, and of course here we shall get 2 equal to square root of a, and we can write in this way: square root of a equals to 2, then square both sides to get a, which equals to 4. Now here I have to check if the answer is correct, and of course here I have to write the question we have given: square root of here a plus 21 plus square root of a will be 7, and of course here we have square root of here 4 plus 21 plus square root of 4 equals to 7 question mark, and of course this will be square root of 25 plus square root of 4 equals to 7. And of course these are perfect square, so that square root of 25 is equals to 5 plus the square root of 4 equals to 2, and this is equals to 7. 7 equals to 7. Left hand side equals to right hand side. I can say that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.